Let's talk coffee monsters. Okay, so I picked up from the mailbox my CoffeeMonsterz's order from the anniversary sale. Look at the packaging. Oh, look at it. I want to save it so bad. You're doing great. These are Helen's doodles. If you know the CoffeeMonsterz's company, then you know exactly what you're in store for. We've got some washi and we have some stickers. These all go in my hobonichi journal. Love that, love that, love that, love that. Now, this weekend, they're releasing, well, I shouldn't say this weekend, April 5th, Helen and Esterbrook are releasing their first collaborative pen and ink as well. This is a coffee bean card. Basically, you save your beans and then you can redeem it, put your order number, and you get an extra sticker. Okay, let's go through the washi. I basically just got 2 of the new releases. It's tough to see with the wrapper, but this is Tabletop Treasures, and this is for the anniversary sale. You get a decent amount. I'm actually going to do a video on the varied amount of tape that you get from different retailers. With Helen, you always get a decent amount of washi. This also is from the Tabletop Treasures. Pen, notebook, paper, fountain pen, ink. Beautiful. And basically I get 2 of each because you use one, then you save one, and then if you have to use it again, you can just use it in the future. CoffeeMonsterz Co sticker. These were add-ons for if you spend a certain dollar amount, you got these. I love notebooks. I love stickers. I love pens. And I love washi. Yeah, basically. Yes to all of that. This is chapter 3, month 3 of 2025. This is like a thank you little sticker pack that you get. So every month there is a new little pack. Patiently waiting. That's going to be me waiting for the Esterbrook pen. Okay, and then we'll go into what I got. So this is the anniversary freebie. These are numbers and notes. This is washi paper. It's very transparent. I saw this and I had to get it. Yeah, I have friends that love biscuits and tea, and I just had to have it. Cookies, basically. Tea time emoji sampler. I love a good tea. Book doodle emojis, because I am a reader. My other channel is called Reading This Life, and I'll link it below for you. This is the Tabletop Treasures, large doodles. This matches the washi tape. I got 2 of those. Then we have extra bits. Basically just a little expansion from the Tabletop Treasures. Doodle headers. I thought these were great. And I got 2 of those. Actually, oh no, I got 3 of those. And these are the coffee beans. So you collect the beans. They're little stickers and you put them on that card. And that gives you some freebies. Okay. Then, days of the week. This is Helen's writing. If you don't watch Helen's videos, you're really missing out on some great dopamine. That's her to-dos. desk organization, you know, when you have to clean your desk. House doodles to remind me when the mortgage is due. Open book doodles. And I got 2 of the 9-year anniversary samplers. So her business has been around for 9 years, and this is just the anniversary sampler. So cute, and Helen designs all of these. Okay, Tabletop Treasures. This is a set. And this is page 2. And this is page 3. So look at that. I love that. So good. And then these are envelopes to keep all of your stickers in, because I have so many. I've been buying, I guess. I've been collecting Helen's designs since, say, November or December last year, and it accumulates. I think maybe I'll do a video, but this is just a nice plastic envelope to keep them all in, to keep all of your stickers organized, and you can get them when you need it. So I picked up 2 of these because I have so many that I want to organize. So I think that will be for a different video. But how cute is that? So leave me a comment in the comment section. Are you a fan of the Coffee Monsters? Are you interested in checking out the Coffee Monsters? Helen, like I said, she's a fantastic follow. She is on YouTube. She's on TikTok. She uploads on TikTok basically every day. And the music she selects, the angles that she does, her inspiration, it's just fantastic. So if you are into hobonichi and fountain pens and handwriting, I blame her for all of this. All right, everybody. That is it from my desk. Woohoo! Honestly, Helen is one of the best creators that I follow. Her videos just hit that dopamine in the right way. On her website, she lists monthly prompts for you to put in your journal. I download those every month. I handwrite them in my hobonichi. She has just been a delight to follow, and her creativity has inspired my journaling. And I'm happy to say that I've journaled every single day since January 1st, which is amazing. All right, that's it here for me, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that. Do you use little stickers at all? Let me know. Let me know. If you don't, be warned, it could be a little bit of an obsession. All right, everybody. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you soon. Bye.